I am doing our 2025 Topps Tier 1 Baseball 4-box break number 3. Guys, who's got who? Diamondbacks, TJL. Braves, David G. Andrew W. with the Orioles. Adam B. with the Red Sox. Derek H. with the Cubs. T has the White Sox. Alan K. has the Reds. T has the Guardians. Andrew L. has the Rockies. T has the Tigers. Matthew F. with his Astros. Jared P. with the Royals. Ben W. has the Angels. Matthew F. Dodgers. Ben W. Marlins. Joe W. Brewers. Andrew L. Twins. Joe W. Mets. David S. with the Yankees. Chris H. with the Athletics. Tom C. has the Phillies. Mark C. has his Pirates. Bill H. has his Padres. Jared P. sitting with the Giants. Joe W. has the Mariners. Christopher M.A.H. with the Cardinals. Timothy M. with the Rays. Michael W. with his Rangers. TJL with the Jays. And James Wood Hunting T. with the Nationals. Alright guys, all cards ship in all of our breaks, even though there's only 4 cards per box here. Let's see if we can get something real good here. 4 random boxes. Blowout and Dave and Adams in even my other retailers and people I've been getting stuff off of. The stuff has not failed here. So hopefully these packs are loaded. Something to 10 at least. That's what I'm shooting for. Something to 10. Alright, no thick pack yet. That pristine though, when we pulled that 101, that super fractor of Roki. Alright. I'm gonna go, yeah, let's do this. The way we open them. The way we open them was this way. Alright. Here we go. Good luck. This is super thin here. Alright, we're going to see how this goes. Card in the back, card there. So it should be a numbered card, a base, an auto, and a relic. Is that what it said? 2 auto cards, 1 relic card, and 1 base. Alright, so our base is up top here. Not a bad base to start. And we'll get a focus on that. Alright, we got Roki Sasaki. Kicking it off here. Nice rookie there for the Dodgers. I'm just going to encase everything here. Dodgers is Matthew F. So Roki Sasaki rookie to start it off. And we're going to go back-to-back Dodgers here. Gary Sheffield, 61 out of 99. 61 out of 99. Or 81 out of 99. Short eyes here. 81 out of 99. I really got to get some cheaters. 81 out of 99, Gary Sheffield, Dodgers. Matthew F. getting that one. All right, we got a hit for Andrew W. and the Orioles. Well, I said something to 10, right? 10 out of 10. Kobe Delicious Mayo. And we're going to be annoying here and put up our eBay 101. So Kobe Mayo to 10 for Baltimore. Very nice on that one. Very evil. just want to see if the autos fit in these regular top loaders. Yes, they do. Perfect. So Kobe Mayo. And then we have an auto 2/199. We got Zach DeZenzo for Houston and Matthew F. All right, that's a solid first box there. Matthew F. Houston, right there. All right, good start, good start. All right, next one's up. We got a blue base. Mason Miller /50. Mason Miller /50 for the A's. So Oakland is Chris H.A. is getting that one. Our relic is Framber Valdez /149. Another hit for Matthew F. Triple relic. Framber Valdez. All right, we got a Ruby auto /25 coming up. Dan Schneemann rookie for the Guardians /25. So the Guardians was T. There you go, T. We got a relic auto coming next. Our relic auto is Francisco Alvarez with the pinstripe for the Mets. Francisco Alvarez, relic auto with a little pinstripe. And Joe, you're getting that one. /149. All right, 2 boxes in. Come on now. Something big. Solid so far, but we can do better. All right, we got a green here. The green is /40, and it's a Vlad Guerrero Jr. going to TJL. There you go, TJ. 23 out of 40. $23 out of 40. Ichiro relic /99, and it's a Marlins Ichiro relic for Ben W. The Wizard, he's been popping up a lot. Ozzie Smith /75. St. Louis, Christopher M.A.H. getting that one. All right, and how about a Jared Duran to 115 for the Red Sox? Adam B. getting that one. 115 Red Sox, Jaron Duran. Relic auto. It's our second relic auto in 3 boxes. Duran was 2022. You are correct. I'm really going to look into the 2022 stuff. I think I'm going to do a mixer of it, Joe. I'll do like a few boxes of 2021 and a few boxes of 2022. I think that'd be fun. That way we Hannah Montana and get the best of both worlds. All right, here we go. Kyle Tucker, when he was on the Cubbies. Again, last year, not Houston, but there you go. Derek H. getting that one. It's a pink. Oh, I didn't even realize. 4 of 5. 4 of 5. This guy. I saw him about 100 times yesterday. I feel like we always pull him. I feel like he's the new Cedric Mullins. Here we are. Adil Amador, Colorado. Andrew L. All right. We got a green auto, and then we got blue behind it. All right, the green is for the Angels. 19 out of 49. Caden Dana, breakout autos. Los Angeles Angels is Ben W. I'm trying not to look at the card behind. Oh, not bad. How about Rafaela for the Red Sox? How about on card? And it's an eBay 101 at that. 1 out of 99. Sedena Rafaela. Adam B. That's a great color match, too. The red and the blue with the red and the blue. Digging that. All right, guys, that will do it. I appreciate you pushing this and getting it filled. It'll get shipped out this week with everything else that broke. Thanks a lot. More baseball on the site.